This is Jerusha, you are 15 CS 180. I'm going to explain the experiment number 6 now. So here in this experiment number 6, we are having like JavaScript timer functions and objects, right? So uh, here we have to develop a quiz, like we have to have radio buttons and then submit, etc. Build a page which will display the results, and then we have to this document can include like whatever they have given in the thing. So now first, like what are we going to do is full first one, like inside the body is like which is giving this has to be main.html, and then this has to be this first the data of the in the table, this has to be in main html, and the second data has to be in car.html, and the third one has to be in library.html, and these three we are giving these three data for in their body. We're giving the table, the position, top and height, and then dot my table, and margin left with the color and background color, and the font family and the font size and all these, okay. And then like next coming to this first thing is we compiled it with the main html, right? So like in the main html we're having the feature, we're opening the application, okay. In this application the name, the placeholder is also given for the name, and then click start, okay. For this, like again this is over. Now again we're having car.html. In car.html is like the variable d is given with the new date with the hours, minutes and seconds, okay, and that is combined with this inner.html, that is equal to the d, that is the answer which you're going to get, right? So in down we're having this moving car. So first we have to, the image has to be displayed, the car image, and it has to be in the center, and if you give start button and then it has to move on, and if you give stop and then it has to be stopped, and then it has to be reset. Then function image, function test and function start and function stop, clear interval, and then here reset, stop and all these. Now all these are written inside the script, and then the body is closed, okay. So now the body is closed, right? um, no. So first the quiz competition, like enter your name, okay. So JRY, and then start the test, and then you will have all these, okay, like which crop grows in India, which crops rise in all these we know. Completed. So this is what we are getting as the answer, okay. So that's all. So after this is it. So after this, actually in library.html only we are writing about this function book, that is TIAU and TU, and about this book, like it's like it depends on the database management, and then new book is JavaScript, and then the third book is like HTML, and the fourth one is information and storage, and inside that book we're having a for loop like I equal to 1, j equal to 1, and I is lesser than equal to book 1 dot length. Now I incrementing if book 1 of I publication is greater than 1980, document dot write center h4 is j book 1 title, and then the document dot write is like which is has to be displayed, and for all this loop, then if book of I is publication is greater than 1080, and then in center we are having a button to display, okay, the which the book are available, and then in the input button and the display value is going to display. Then in the center h5, the fifth title is to display the book which were published in 1980, and then the full html file is closed. Now this is the thing, quiz is also given, and all these are given in this experiment.